sports fans. This is Joey DeMartino, aka Joey D, aka America's Greatest Sports Fan, aka Godfather of Sports. On Wednesday, November 9th, 2022, I stayed at the DoubleTree in King of Prussia, PA, while on a sports trip. This hotel is actually called the Alloy of DoubleTree, and it's located at 301 West DeKalb Pike, King of Prussia, PA 19046. It's at the intersection of King Circle and West DeKalb Pike. Location's about a quarter mile off of Interstate 276. A lot of restaurants nearby, especially the King of Prussia Mall. But real close restaurants were Red Lobster, Chick-fil-A, Cheesecake Factory, Chipotle, Eddie V's Prime Seafood, Sullivan Steakhouse, Buffalo Wild Wings. Parking lot appeared well lit and safe. Check-in was quick. Front desk was polite, friendly, and I was greeted as a Diamond member. The room was great. The hotel did not have a business center, so really disappointed with not having a business center. And the breakfast was excellent. So I would highly recommend this hotel when you're in the King of Prussia area or visiting the King of Prussia Mall. So thank you, sports fans. Have a blessed day. Please keep our first responders and military in your thoughts and prayers.